How to get over a breakup. Whether it was your decision to end the relationship or the other person's, it can be difficult. You can be experiencing unpleasant sentiments and desire to get rid of them as soon as you can. You can start to let go of your painful emotions in a number of ways, including writing about them, allowing yourself to grieve, and being wary of rebound relationships. Remember that it takes time and patience to go past a breakup. Remember that you may always seek support from friends, family, or even a mental health professional if things don't seem to get better with time. 1. Take a step back. Even if you and your former have decided to remain friends, distance yourselves entirely from one another as soon as the breakup occurs. This entails no face-to-face interaction, no proximity to his or her family, no phone calls, emails, texts, Facebook posts, or instant messaging. 1. While you don't have to cut off all communication for good, you do need to do so for as long as it takes to get over your ex. 2. Make your space orderly. A breakup might signal a fresh start. Cleaning and organizing your personal space will therefore make you feel renewed and ready for the next changes. A mess can be stressful and sad, and it will only make things worse. 3. Eliminate the sources of unpleasant memories. You may be reminded of your ex by a song, a smell, a sound, or a location, among other things. It may be more difficult for you to move on from a breakup if you have these things nearby. Take away everything that gives you anxiety or makes your stomach churn. 4. Get moving and take action. It's acceptable to spend some time by yourself at home after a relationship ends. Just be sure to return to the world once you've processed your emotions. Plan beforehand, go out with your buddies, and enjoy yourselves. At first, it could seem weird, but it will get better and make you feel better. 5. Rebound relationships are dangerous. People frequently initiate a new relationship right away after breaking up. This is known as a rebound relationship. Although rebounding is common, it is not always a wise move. When you start a relationship too soon after splitting up with someone, the enthusiasm can be covering up your unhappy feelings. 6. Keep looking after yourself. After a breakup, it is typical for people to neglect self-care, but doing so will not make you feel better. Make sure that you are taking care of your fundamental requirements for your physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. 7. Recognize that the discomfort you're experiencing is natural. It's common to experience additional emotions, such as fear and anger, after a breakup, in addition to sadness. You can be concerned that you'll become alone or that you won't experience happiness once more. Change will come by time. Look forward into your future. Everything is gonna be okay. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful